Set up our quiz with questions and pictures, and we're now ready to type in an answer. Now we know that this elephant is an African elephant. So if I type in African here, what I want to happen is for the answer to be told that it's correct or incorrect. If I look on here, if I type African, it says correct. If I type Asian, it says correct for the other elephant. So we need to find out how to create that function that will tell us that our answer is correct or incorrect. Now what we need is a function called if. If allows us to program the spreadsheet so it will give two different responses depending on what has been typed into some other cell. To set this up, I simply type equals and then if and a bracket. Now the first part of the if statement is the question that we've got. If the answer, and I'm going to click on the answer that they've given, is the same as African, notice that I'm putting quote marks around the word African because it's text that has been typed in. If A5, the text that they've typed in, is African, I want it to respond with correct. And otherwise, I want it to say incorrect. Now I could put any different answer here if I wanted to. If I want to say Asian, if I wanted to say lemur, if I wanted to say chimpanzee, I can write whatever I want here depending on what the question that I want it to be correct or incorrect is. It's always in this structure. We check what they've typed in and we then go, if it's true, we're going to write correct, and if it's false, we're going to write incorrect. I'm going to end with a bracket and press enter. It says correct. I'm going to do the same thing here for this Asian elephant. So I do equals if. I click on the box where they're going to type, equals, and it should of course be Asian. If they write the word Asian, it should say correct, and if they don't, it's going to say incorrect. Now right now it says incorrect because I haven't written in the correct answer. If I write fish, it doesn't change. If I write Asian, it changes to correct, so I know that I've got that working perfectly.